Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a newly launched smartwatch from Maxima and it's the Maxima Max Pro Turbo. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the model Max Pro Turbo. And here we have the picture of the smartwatch. At this side, we can see that this smartwatch is proudly made in India. In this smartwatch, we get the AI voice assistant support. At the back we have the key features such as a 1.69-inch HD large display, social media notification, AI voice assistant, Spo2 monitoring, Bluetooth calling, pedometer, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, multiple sports modes, and you get 100 plus watch faces through the app. The companion app of this smartwatch is available on both Android and iOS platform. The MRP on the box is Rs 6,999. However, you can purchase this one right now for just Rs 2,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the welcome card and here we have the warranty details. This smartwatch is by Maxima, which has been making watches in India since 1995. After all this, we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this is the grey variant, and apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few different colors. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, which has the info about the features and how to use this smartwatch. And then here we have the magnetic charging cable, which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Maxima Max Pro Turbo is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Looking at the design first, we really like the metallic case of this watch, and it does look and feel premium. The straps are made up of good quality material and they feel soft on the wrist, and this smartwatch is very comfortable on the hand. In terms of the overview, in the front of the watch we have the 1.69-inch IPS display and you get the curved glass. At the right side we have the crown button, and guys, for the very first time we have the active crown technology in a smartwatch in this price segment, and I'm really happy to see this in the Max Pro Turbo. And about the functionality and how it works, I will show you in a moment. Now looking at the back, we have the sensors along with the charging points, and you also have the mic and a speaker for Bluetooth calling. So overall in terms of design and build quality, we're really happy with this smartwatch and we are really excited to see how the crown navigation will work. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you will need to download the app Maxima Smart Fit, and in the app, tap on the add device and select the Max Pro Turbo from the list. And that's it, your smartwatch is now paired with your phone. Now let me show you the features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And guys, you can also change the watch faces in this smartwatch by simply scrolling the crown button. About the controls more, swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings. And here we have the Bluetooth calling, vibration settings, torch, brightness, and the weather. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history. And swiping left from the right side will show you the quick apps. And here we have the activity status, sleep, heart rate, Spo2 and so on. To access the main menu, you need to swipe right from the left side. And guys, here we have the grid view, and you can swipe on the screen to go through the menu, or just use the crown to zoom in or zoom out. For the demonstration purpose, we're going to choose the list view. And even in the list view, you can use the crown for navigation. And apart from the crown navigation, the touch response is very good and there is no lag in the menu. In terms of the menu, first we have the messages, which will show you the notification history. And then we have the activity, and here you can see your current day's fitness data. After that we have the sleep data, and then we have the heart rate. And guys, the heart rate detection in this watch is fast and the data is also accurate. After that we have the exercise, and here we get sports modes, and you get walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, climbing, tennis, golf, yoga and bowling. Then in the menu we have the phone. Here you can see the recent calls, use the dial pad to make a new phone call and see the favorite contacts. About the calling performance, we will talk in a moment. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the Spo2 monitoring, and here as well, the data seems fairly accurate. After that we have the AI voice, and with this, you can use Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, this is the first time we are seeing this feature in a smartwatch under Rs 3,000. Then in the menu we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. After that we have the shutter, by which you can remotely control the camera on your phone. Then we have the music, and in this, you can control the music playing on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises. Then in the menu we have the usual stopwatch, alarm, countdown with some preset timers and the flashlight. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings we have the menu view, brightness, Bluetooth calling settings, vibration settings, and then we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in the smartwatch. And guys, to be honest, I'm really impressed with the hardware and the software of this watch so far. The crown navigation, which we have seen in the expensive smartwatches such as Apple Watch, is available in this smartwatch, which is really good. And the voice assistant support is also an advantage. Now let me show you the app Maxima Smart Fit. So here we are on the home page, and on the top we have the step count, and then below it we have the sleep, heart rate and the Spo2 data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. On the next page we have the device settings, and here we have the connected device on the top along with the remaining battery. Then below it, first we have the watch face store, and guys, here we have the default watch faces, and in this smartwatch you can also customize the watch faces and use your own picture. And apart from that, you also get 100 plus beautiful looking watch faces. Then in the settings we have the notifications. Here you can select the apps for which you want to turn on the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, as it's a calling smartwatch, you can accept or reject the call from the watch itself. And about the performance, it's decent and you can take calls without any issue. There is one more feature, and that is the press to mute, which silence the incoming call when you press the crown button once. Now let me show you the app notifications, and as expected, we don't get the preset replies as well as the emoji support in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the contacts, and from here you can sync your favorite contacts with the watch. And then we have the other settings, and here you have the move reminder, full day heart rate monitoring option, DND, language and the auto log option. And below it, we have the quick view, which is the race to wake feature. And during our testing, we found the performance and the response time very good. After that we have the drink water reminder, high heart rate alert, weather settings, and lastly, the physiological cycle reminder for females. So overall the Maxima Max Pro Turbo is a good looking smartwatch with well built quality. To be honest, the features we get in this watch are the best in this price segment. Crown navigation and the AI voice assistant support makes this smartwatch better than other smartwatches in this category. The display is bright and you get good touch response. We also find this smartwatch really comfortable on the hand, and the fitness data is also fairly accurate. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch which offers premium features, then we highly recommend you to check out the Maxima Max Pro Turbo. And right now, we can say that this smartwatch is the best Bluetooth calling smartwatch under Rs 3000 in India. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Maxima Max Pro Turbo smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.